ALOT. Whoever would believe that the world thus lowers itself, right turns toward wrong. If it has fallen, it cannot rise again. He would do well who would put it back in the place where it used to be. Forked tongues, sharp and fierce, overturn everything constantly, and have parted from the confessional for the love of false judgment. This is the inn and the seat where they stable their mules. He who knows how to lie most gracefully is quite secure in clothing himself in scarlet and green vestments and in boots with spurs. But I see money offered to them rather than to any at the altar. But they make loyalty wither, for they do not wish to speak the truth. So much do they devote themselves to hearing how to disinherit wretched men. One cannot long enjoy wrong if one does not wish to abandon it. Forked tongue, treacherous, if you put money before them, they will make you a dog's wine, and in the same way will rise from day to the next day. So skilled are they at mixing things. If you think to hold them in your hand and you have given them your wealth, they will make it known to another who will want to give, so that he may know how to hold. Wrong and lower, right. Forked tongue of evil file, toward all parts you have blame. You feed yourselves gently on your nourishment, for you know how to mix deceit, and you know thick and thin, in taking and in giving. Forked tongues, sharp beaks when the whole dispute is finished, and their words are spoken with shame. They come to them beaten with stones, and they have enough to worry about. Forked tongue slaughterer, these false eavesdroppers, who for another's honor arrange the companies, whatever it may cost for him to lose his worth. The wretch goes to seek them. Forked tongues are worse than Judas who betrayed his Lord, for they laugh at what another weeps, and they make the Lord change. They resemble the blower's drone, who carries the pressure, who can force the air.